Possible that I don't have to scan this entire car. Oh, they still have a uterus on the hood. I'm actually pretty curious about the front trunk in regards to some restyling of the hood. I think that might make for some space for some pretty interesting hood vents. difference between the 23 and 24 Tesla Model 3 by overlaying 3D scan data. I was very surprised they changed the door to sharpen the shoulder line at the camera and coming off the top of the fender. The 23 fender line kicks off at the tall headlight. The 24 has a lower shoulder line and the back of the hood is raised up. And the 23, the front of the hood is raised up for the upturned nose. 24 is longer and lower on center, while the bumper parting line is higher. 23's front end forms 3 crests across the fender and hood. 24 has larger side inlets where the bumper lights have been deleted on the performance model. Since power and regen demands on track challenge the cooling system, I'm going to explore a front trunk delete and a dramatic restyling of the hood to extract air through the top. I've paid close attention to track racers' short run times until thermal limits are reached, resulting in power cuts. That issue isn't my core competency. However, my dad is very good at physics and thermodynamics, so perhaps I can fall back on that. Anyhow, I hope everyone finds it entertaining as a unique build, just like Matt Field's C8 Corvette that we got deeply involved in. That everyone likes a good, unique build series. So, like that one, I hope this delivers some eye-opening results in another uncharted territory. We're confident about optimizing any challenging situation.